going to unbox. It's the way the American accent comes out as soon as the camera's on. I was fine before. I got a Smiski Cheers series. And I want all of them. Do I? Look.
The one with the mega fan is so cute, and the pom-pom one.
Yeah, I want the mega one. I want the mega one because it's sitting down and I've got lots of Smiskis that sit. Oh shoot. Don't have my mic. Can't be bothered.
What are you gonna do?
My mic.
Microphone.
Maybe. I didn't open it in a certain way. I love Smiskis. Are you right?
Aww.
Yeah.
What is that?
I just don't like the hat. Dumbass hat. Okay. Congratulations.
She doesn't like it.
You know, whenever I say I want everything but something, I get the thing I don't want. So let me stop speaking it in distance.